FERPA is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act of 1974. It is a federal law that protects the privacy of student education records. Because of this, we cannot give out any information regarding you as a student to anyone who calls. If you would like to list someone to your account as a designated person for us to speak with, you will need to fill out what is called a FERPA release form, or records release. To do this, you will need to be logged into your self-service account. From the main page here, you will need to click on the little graduation cap on this left-hand side menu. This will bring up your academics tab. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see FERPA release form. This will then prompt you to log into MyNC. You'll use your same username and password that you use for self-service, and you'll click sign on. This will bring up a form with your name and student ID number already filled out for you. You will then need to list the name and the relationship that person has to you. You can list up to 4 people. Underneath that, you will see some check boxes. Checking each individual box will give each person you listed access to all financial aid records, all admissions records, all student account records, instructor and classroom records, and student services, student life, and conduct records. There's also a box for other if you have anything else you'd like to add. You do have to specify. Please note, this form does not give anyone except for you, the student, access to usernames and passwords. We can only speak with you, the student, to give out your usernames, your passwords, or even reset your password. Once all of this is filled out, you will need to just put the date and click Next. It will then bring up a page for your electronic signature. Type your name as it says to in each box and click on Sign Electronically. It will then give you the option of viewing this form in PDF so you can print it or save it for your records. All forms do take 24 to 48 hours to be processed through. It is not immediate. For any corrections or any questions, please see the registrar's office.